we're going to see the Boethius Square. Boethius Square stands first with A, E, I, and O. I in logics is all P's are Q's. E is no P, non P is Q. I, some P is Q. And O is some P is not Q, or some P is not Q. Alright, so this is all P's are Q's, and this is non P is Q, or non P's are Q's. So these are contraries. This is saying that all P's are Q's, this is non P is Q. Like, for example, all the books are blue. He is saying that no book is blue. So these are called the contraries. In I and O, some P is Q and some P is not Q. Between these are contraries. Now, if we put this in set, here we have all P's are Q's. So this would be the set of Q, and the set of P could be something like this, or it could be exactly the same as Q. So here is P and here is Q. Here no P is Q, so this is the set of P, and this is the set of Q. Are two completely different sets. So P and Q, and here P is inside Q. Now for I, here's some P is Q, could be something like this. Here is some P that is Q, this is the set of Q's, and this is the set of P. Here we have a P that is Q, but could also be this set. We could also have P here and Q here, and some P is Q. Here exactly all the P's are Q's, but if this is true, this will be true. So this I is the subaltern of A. Subaltern. So if this is true, this will be true. So the truth goes from the sky to the earth. Now for E and O, here's some P is not Q. So again, here we have a P, this is the set of P's, this is the set of Q's. Here we have a P that is not Q. Could also have this set in which certainly there is some P, a P that is not Q. So again, if E is true, O would be true. So O is the subaltern of E. Subaltern. And again, the true goes from the sky to the earth. If E is true, O would be true. And now, in order to refute A, that is, we know that all P's are Q's, but how do we refute this? We need to find at least one P that don't be Q. So some P that is not Q. So O refutes A, and vice versa. We say some P's are not Q. How we refute this? All the P's are Q. So these A and O are contradictories. And how do we refute that non-P is Q? And we need to find some P that is Q. Some P that is Q. And how do we refute that some P, or that there is some P that is Q, that there be non-P that be Q? So E and I are contradictories. So the completely contraries is like the white and the black is A and E and I and O. The contradictories is which one refutes the other. It is not true that all P's are Q, and some P is not Q. So these are contradictories because then there is no true in which both could be true. So there is no case in which both A and O can be true. So one will refute the other. And the same for E and I. Now these two alternatives would be I for A and O for E, because if E is true, then O will be true, and if I is true, I would be true.